Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix this talkback feature, how you can turn it off in your IQ smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe uh, right by two fingers like this. Then click on one time to select it and double tap to activate it. Then you have to swipe up like this, and here it is shortcuts and accessibility. You have to double tap it, click on, just swipe this, and here it is accessibility. Double tap it, click on talkback, and from here you can turn it off. Talkback off. And friends, you can see the talkback is successfully turned off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.